Hare Krishna, everybody. This is oval ground, and behind the ground you can see the clock tower, right? And beside the clock tower, that is the civil court of Mumbai, where we cannot expect the justice from there, right? And even I'm the examples, and not I am actually, but many of Mumbaikars would have faced the lots of things because of the politician. Because in Mumbai, real estate business are more so. Means all the corruption happens most of the time in real estate business. That's what people come and purchase home, they don't get delivery and they stuck here, and that's how they are working, right? And this is the Mantralaya. It is called Mantralaya in India, of Maharashtra, right, where all politicians comes and do their work, whatever they do, all commission khori here. And I checked out the security. At least 15 police constable live here around besides the Mantralaya, 15 and 20 constables. And so I am here. Why I am covering all this? That we can make some changes. You know that we have forgotten superheroes, right? And we are living the life in the heroes of silver skins. What we can see, it is also called like and Instagram reels and all that. But we are not living the real life and real time and real frequency what a freedom fighter would have faced at the time when they had make us free. But they wouldn't have realized that after freedom, this situation will be of India, right? So, yeah, nothing. I'm jobless and doing whatever I can do, but chasing death. One day I'll get die. But we all are going to die. But let's live for our family, right? Let's live together for our family, which is we are creating. Maybe if you will be interested, then that will be great. Otherwise, and we hate illiterate persons, right? And that's another thing. And so we are making the literate community, and at least we will live for our family for security reason, to protection level. Otherwise, after some times you're going to feel in India that you will not feel safe. If you're a literate one, maybe you must be feeling while traveling anywhere. People are just very hungry to, even though they will kill you for money, right? Where politicians are doing, then what we can expect. This is the SBI head office, and besides what has passed on, that was the Vidhan Bhavan, Vidhan Sabha Assembly of Maharashtra. And I had gone and I had seen the security, and besides that, a leader, a inspiration road is there. This is the Vidhan Sabha, and all the politicians comes and do their work here. And in front of this there is Madam Kama Road, and behind this the Queen of Necklace called the Marine Drive Road. Besides the Wankhede Stadium, it is not to pass, but it is far. And besides behind this assembly has the Subhash Chandra Bose Road, you know, who is our inspiration. And why we are fan of Subhash Chandra Bose is like that. हमें पाप सहना मतलब पाप सहना बड़ा पाप है पाप करने से. सो डेफिनेटली सी बात है कि हम पाप बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स बाय इन द इनर वाइस, राइट? सो वी शुड, हमें किसी को मारने में मतलब एक झिझक भी, अगर वो गलत बंदा है तो हमको मतलब वो नहीं होना चाहिए. वी शुड किल देम. We should do whatever we can, take political actions and many more things. And by the time we could evoke a voice in a manner also. So definitely आओ हम अपनी फैमिली बनाते हैं यार, फैमिली विदाउट ब्लड रिलेशंस, एंड वर्क टुगेदर एंड लिव लाइफ लाइक अ वॉरियर. and just if we could finish the corruption of India. Not, we cannot just, because India is not that much that big. India is not that small place, right? So we cannot do but definitely we can reduce and we can make them fear through their bloodline. That if this language maybe they won't understand, right? And but their kids will also understand. And we are not attacking to them that what are they doing, but we are promising to their kids who are going to coming in future leader that if in future politics should not be so easy, right? And corruption free politics should be, otherwise the whole Indian are hacked. They 70% 80% people of India are illiterate, completely illiterate. They don't understand anything what's going on. They are running behind the meals, they are running behind the daily chores. What are they facing? I don't You can't imagine, because I have seen across the states of India that what are they facing. So they are illiterate, and it's up to us, right, who are literate people, who understand a little bit psychology, little bit behind the bar, right, what's going on in the politicians' mind, in the corporate sectors, right? And we need to take care of all that. What we can do and is like just be a collective in invisible form, right? And just make things done. And once we are hoping that one day we could form an army, right? And which will be kind of target the government officials and as well as the politicians' family, that what are they doing, from where they are coming, and what means. It means that we should take care of all the shows, what are they doing, except because they are in the power positions, right? And it is their liability, right, that they should be very honest and worthy to sit on that chair. It's a dead India. You know what? It's a dead India. The father of nations, Mahatma Gandhi, do or die. And maybe the Indians don't understand the quote. When any quote comes behind, it comes from like hurt and fire. That's all I can say. Let's die together!